Think statistics are just for math nerds or college students? Think again. You use statistics every day, whether you realize it or not. Here are the top 5 reasons you use statistics in your everyday life. Number 1. Making smarter choices. You check the weather, 80% chance of rain. Boom, umbrella packed. Booking a flight? You wait for that magical price drop based on averages. Stats help you predict outcomes so you can act smarter. Number 2. Spotting trends. You notice gas prices keep creeping up? That's a pattern. Tracking your weight or steps? Those graphs show you progress or not. Stats let you see the story behind the numbers. Number 3. Handling your money. Budgets, bills, and interest rates. It's all statistics. If your credit card says 23% APR, you better believe that number matters. Comparing loan offers? That's stats in action. Number 4. Understanding the world. News stories are loaded with stats, election polls, crime rates, even sports scores. When you say, wow, only 12% of voters support that, you're reading the data. And number 5. Winning arguments. Nothing shuts down a debate like cold hard facts. Say you're in a convo and drop, 1 in 3 people experience anxiety. That stat hits different. See? Statistics aren't just for math class. They're powering the decisions, conversations, and perspectives you deal with every day. So next time someone says, I'm not a numbers person, remind them they already are. Like and subscribe for more math facts.